gotten used to being alone. It took root in my bones. I watched the clock by the schoolyard gate and walked the long way home. Every day around the weekends, my grandbabies fill the room. My daughter clocks in, I hold the line till the evening turns to blue. That's the life that I live now. Quiet hands and a worn-out chair. I write it down to pass the time, to mend what's left in there. My boring life is a melody. My boring life is a melody. I sing it soft so I can breathe. I sing it soft and it carries me. Oh, comes back to me. I chose between home and you. That choice cut me in two. It wasn't easy, I'll admit. It broke me through and through. Why does life get so hard when love can fit in one heart? Why can't we cross between the two worlds without the door falling apart? Politics keep the road closed, names and lines in the dust. So I write your face into the page before the page turns to rust. My boring life is a melody. My boring life is a melody. I sing it soft so I can breathe. I sing it soft and it carries me. Oh, comes back to me. I don't know if I'll see you again. Maybe time will take that choice, but I still keep your laughing hands in the cracks of my voice. Even if the edges fade, even if my years move on, you're the light behind the paper when the house goes quiet alone.